have to get on my hands and knees. Usually I have to take the hose and go. Ooh, we should vacuum that cat hair.
Let's vacuum the cat.
Oh, I gotta figure out.
Where's Oscar? Oscar, we're gonna vacuum.
Look. Okay, so carpet, gentle floor. Let's do the gentle floor. Hear it? That kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, the cat hair. Look at that cat hair.
Oh my God. Our house is disgusting. Oh no, let me see.
Look at all the hair and dirt in there already.
Is that a hamster?
It's a rat.
Ew,
I got a rat.
Disgusting.
I don't know how to use it. It's so fancy.
Man, you're so giddy about this.
Oh, I want to vacuum everything.
You've never, is that your fanciest vacuum cleaner you've ever had? It's a Kenmore. Kenmore also makes our barbecue.